Another one for Delta State. This one a pregnant woman wey is stripping 12-year-old daughter. In fact, he strip her naked. No be the end o. After he strip her naked, he can't tie him hands, tie the legs, keep am for one place. According to am, he say the girl too dey waka. Say before you know am, na so she go just leave house. She no go tell anybody. She no go take permission. She no go. Na so she go just go for hours from morning till night before she go come back. Say sometimes she no dey come back. Na she go dey look for this girl. Dey look for this girl. This last one wey happen, my people, na neighbors even guys go there, rescue the pikin, untie am, then cover am with cloth. In fact, many wahala. And as I dey talk to una now, they don't catch the woman. They don't catch her. They question her. In fact, the matter even enter court. So I beg, before I go proceed, make we listen to Madam Stripper.
What make you tie the pikin for the first place?
What make tie the pikin be say the pikin they run, they come out for us. If you run come out for us, we know they say and again we'll come five reach midnight. Now between Latin I call the carrier, they come house every midnight 2 o'clock.
Why? Then why you report to police? Why you no report to police?
I be the mistake. Please forgive me because I don't actually know. I don't actually know what happened.
Well,
hey, I beg Nigeria na serious seasonal movie. I'm not just understand now. Many people don't tell me say it be like say this thing na generational something. No, see, if we look this thing where many things where they happen for this life na spiritual. If it be say this woman now like this, they bring her up. If it be say na like this, they bring her up. You know say, see now why they tell una say if it be true say na spiritual. This waka thing, no be normal thing o. You go just stand up, leave your house before you know you just find yourself for market. Meanwhile, you know they go buy anything. Some things they happen like that. So I dey feel say this thing na from one generation to another generation. Maybe the mother too, she been there like that. And na the only way her own mama teach am say na like this we go avoid am or we go solve the matter. She too, maybe they been dey tie am down. I beg, my people, make we dey try. See, try to dey better than our parents. Make we try am. Very important because all these African things, it don't too enter our head. This thing na generational something. No, make una tell me 12 years old. No, where you dey go? Even if may we just say, okay, now you get friends pass. At least you and your friends, you get how una go dey play for even your own mama compound, your mama go dey see you. But this one, every day. Don't be say this week she go, next week. Every day, na so she go just dey waka comot for house. All these things they happen when we know they get training. When they no train you well, now all these kind of things go dey happen. Wakadugbe. I dey sure say this one like this na spiritual boyfriend. Any small time you go just see boyfriend don call am for spirit world. Start dey waka dey go. Omo no be small thing dey happen now as I dey talk to una for Delta State o. They question. In fact, the matter even reach court because and you know what even they shock me concerning this whole matter. They even carry this woman go court. Now that part alone, my mind don't dey dance around. Una carry this woman go court. No, I know they talk say the thing when she do they good o. But wait, we you know how many cases we don't get wey serious past this one. We no hear court. Oh. Our governors, politicians, all of them, police, even harass person, this one. We no hear court. Why on our life just be like this? Why? No, why? When una want change this nonsense attitude? Una see person wey dey in fact you no even get in fact this woman as I even dey see her like this e be like say na just manage dey push in life. Now these kind of people, our people get power over them. Now only these ones now go sabi speak English, they ask question. Hey, this one, that one. Make it become one uniform person or one person at the top now. They go see, case dismissed, court order. We not go even hear anything again. I just dey pity for the woman sha. No, I no go lie una. Like when I dey hear am dey talk alone, like e dey do me make I cry. And from the way she even dey talk, you go know say this thing she even talk am. Say she no even know how the thing enter am. She no know how when she even do am. You go know say from the way she dey talk, you go know say this one she no dey do am out of her own will. This thing na serious spiritual something. As una dey talk to una now, e be like say she don learn her lesson, because after they carry am go court sef, she even go dey she now don dey give advice to women say make they no dey do child abuse o, make they no dey maltreat their children, plenty thing. Now I say make I bring am come una side. So abeg, I wan make una lis ten to this woman as she dey court dey give advice. So join me, make we watch the woman.
Madam, what do you have to say to other women out there that are abusing their children?
What I have to say is that say no to child abuse.
And child molestation.
Molestation.
Thank you very much.
Because the way you are marketing your child is not fair at all. Just like me. I'm marketing my child. That is the reason why I'm like this. So I want to say that women stay away from molesting children, for children is the leaders of tomorrow.
Wetin dey funny me now for this case be say she even get belle. I not just understand. You wey as you get belle, you even suppose know this thing more than every other person. You carry pikin for inside your stomach, you still dey treat your own pikin. Anyhow sha. Like people go say, they say the one wey no need na him go get, the one wey no get na him go need. Na like that e always dey happen, my people. So I make we just take her like that. And I wan believe say this one wey she don come do now, say na real change. I no want the one wey now you, because you dey public, you go come do like say you don change, you don repent. Tomorrow now we go hear say you don tie this your pikin again. The best thing, abeg, in fact, start spiritual investigation for this your pikin. Very important, because see my people, sometimes we dey carry our parents problem, great grandparents problem, we dey carry am but we no know. If it be say na wetin don dey worry this pikin now, I just dey pray say God go heal your family, my sister. May God just heal you completely so that all this waka go stop. My people, abeg. Any prayer wey you get, just dey pray for this woman and the family, because they need am. You understand? Very important. And now the whole thing wey dey ground, because she carry belle. You understand? You know say normal level as this thing happen now, wey they even enter court, they suppose give her maybe 1 or 2 years in prison. But because of the pregnancy, they can't tell her say, okay, madam, instead of the 2 years, you go just they do 5 days of community service. Now wetin she go dey do now because of the pregnancy. So any comment wey you get concerning this matter, just drop am there. I go reply on one by one. Now wetin dey happen for Delta State be this. And make sure say you share this video and comment. If not, you no go get any story where we get like this. Stay tuned for our next story.